Hello guys, welcome back. This is LEGO City Fan 1994, and today we're going to be doing a LEGO City review here. This is the new 2020 LEGO City set 60242, the Police Highway Arrest. And as you can see here, this set includes two characters from the LEGO City Adventures animation series, LEGO City Adventures. This was this TV series that based on LEGO City that was released last year. So right here we got Duke Detain and Vito, which you see in the box. Okay, now anyways, here's the back. Here's what you get here. It's all the accessories. All right. Now enough of that. We are now going to do a review on the set. So here we go. First minifigure up, we have Duke Detain. Now, Duke Detain is the police officer. He is having a double face, double head, and his other head is like he has black sunglasses, which is really nice, interesting. Okay, and he has this really nice hairpiece, big curly hair. Did you see here? Yeah. Yeah, right there. Next figure, we have the bad guy. This is Vito. That's right. So Vito also has a double printed head. Take his hairpiece off so you can see. His other side, his second one reveals his mask, his burglar mask. And he has black hair, sleek, which is in the sleek design. And he has a dark red polo shirt, a red. That's his outer shirt, and his undershirt is his inner shirt, or actually, a striped red polo shirt with a white and gray necktie, and he has black pants. All right, now what you get. You move on to the vehicles. Okay, first of all, this is Vito's car. It is actually a badass sports car. As you can see, here's a bulldog symbol. A bulldog symbol with this nice detailed headlights. Not much to say about the integration, nothing to say about it, but wish this vehicle could come with doors, but that's okay. In the rear as well. So actually this is an open-topped convertible, which is pretty awesome. And here's the driver's side here. It's only too bad you can only see one minifigure. And here's the space where the safety goes.